how to set up your Microsoft Planner to Power BI. So you can do it by doing this over here, getting the prerequisite. So access to Microsoft Planner, Power Automate license, SharePoint access, Power BI desktop, and Microsoft 365 account. So we have the step-by-step method over here by basically the Fabric community. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is to set up the Power Automate flow. So go to the Power Automate and create a scheduled cloud flow. So set it to run on a periodic schedule such as daily to ensure your data stays updated. So over here, just go ahead to the create section and then press on scheduled cloud flow. Then you should be able to see the options you'll have over here. But once you do so, over here, you can build a scheduled cloud flow, the name, starting at specific time as well, depending on you how many times you want to repeat, and then if it's a minute, hour, day, week, or month, and then just go ahead and create that. Once you do so, just go ahead and add the required actions. So list task actions, search for list tasks and Power Automate, select the planner group and plan to capture all tasks, not just those assigned to you. So once you do this over here, it's a little blurry, but just go ahead and add an action in the top left corner with its name, and then just select group ID and plan ID from the drop down. So as you can see over here in the parameters, it's a bit blurry still, but you should be able to see the group ID and then the plan ID. And then once you do that, just go ahead to the third step, which is to create the file action. Choose a SharePoint folder and save the file with a .json extension. JSON allows easy data storage and access for the Power BI. So create a new action and select create file from the SharePoint group. Over here, again, it's a bit blurry, but it should be quite simple. Enter the site address, folder name, file name, and then in file content section, search for the body. So over here in file content, in the bottom, just search for body and then just press on add. Configure override settings in create files. You're gonna have to disable the allow chunking over here to overwrite the file on each run. This ensures the JSON file contains only the most recent data. Then you can just test the flow. Save and manually run the flow once to create and verify the JSON file location instruction in the SharePoint. So step 2 is to connect the Power to SharePoint JSON data. So download the JSON file, load JSON on Power, and then update the file path to SharePoint. And once you do this over here, you can start transforming and customizing data in Power. So expand and transform data and add custom columns. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.